Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a project with time tracking in Zoho Books. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses that need to monitor project hours, manage budgets, and ensure accurate billing for client work. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your company's financial data and project management tools. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look over to the left side menu where you'll find various modules, locate the option labeled Time Tracking, and click on it. This will expand a submenu with additional options. From here, select Projects. This is the hub where you'll create and manage all your time-tracked projects. Once you're in the time tracking module, you'll see the Projects tab at the top of the screen. Click on it to view your existing projects or create a new one. Now, to create a new project, click the plus New Project button located at the top right corner of your screen. Alternatively, if you don't have any projects yet, you can click Create New Project in the middle of your screen. A project creation form will appear. Start by typing the project name in the project name field. This should be something clear and identifiable for your team. You can also add a description if you want to provide more context about the project's goals or scope. Don't forget to enter a project code, which helps with organization and tracking. Next, select the client for this project in the client name field. This links the project directly to the client's account, making invoicing and reporting much easier. After that, choose the billing method for the project. Zoho Books offers several options such as fixed cost per project or based on project hours. So select the one that aligns with your pricing structure. Now move down to the budget section. Enter the cost of the budget, which represents the expected expenses for this project, then fill in the revenue budget field. This is where you'll enter the projected income you expect to generate from the project. These figures help you monitor profitability as the project progresses. Under the user section, you can add team members to the project by clicking the plus Add User button. This assigns specific users to work on and track time for this project. Then set the task name under the Project Tasks section and provide a task description. Also, check whether each task will be billable or not, as this determines what gets invoiced to the client. Optionally, you can add this project to your watch list, which will display it on your dashboard for easy progress tracking. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Save button to create your project. Your time-tracked project is now set up and ready for your team to start logging hours and managing tasks efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.